Assalamualaikum, I'm Ariandia Azahra and my last two digits of student number are 08. So, in this video, I will tell you about the story Sacred Space by Kim Stanley Robinson. But before go to the story, I would like to tell you about the characters. There are several characters, namely Charlie, Anna, Joe, Frank, Dave, Vince, Jeff, and Troy. Charlie is Anna's husband and Joe's father. In his youth, he was a backpacker who often traveled to explore several mountains with his friend, but after he married Anna, he rarely did it because he had more important activities to do. Until one day, he was invited by his friend to go on an adventure again after a long time. And Anna is Charlie's wife. In this story, Anna is very worried about her husband who wants to go back to adventure. But besides that, there was another thing that made her a little bit worried about her husband's decision to leave her and her children, and namely that he would go when one of his sons was going to have an operation. It's very difficult for Charlie to leave them because he was also could not bear to leave his son who was going through a difficult time. But however, Anna tried to understand Charlie's situation and chose to let him go with his friend. Joe is the youngest child of the couple Charlie and Anna. He has a serious illness that makes his family worry. Even so, he is still eager to recover it so he can live a normal life with his family. Besides that, Joe also understands his father who wants to go back to adventure. Therefore, he assured his father that he would be fine. He did it because he wants his father could go on an adventure in peace. Frank, Dave, Vince, Jeff, and Troy are Charlie's friends. Frank is his high school friend, while Dave and Vince were his college roommates. Four of them met when Dave and Vince picked them up at the Ontario airport to start their journey. Then, Jeff and Troy is one of the members of their group who will be joining the trip that time. So, let's move on to the summary of the story. The story tells about Charlie who wants to go back on hiking trip with his friend after a long time. But his youngest son, named Joe, will be operated soon, and it makes him doubt to hiking because he was so worried about his son's condition. He is afraid that if something bad happens to his child when he is not by his side. However, his wife and child assured him that everything would be fine and Charlie did not have to worry about it because Anna would taking a good care to Joe while Charlie went hiking with his friends. Finally, Charlie decided to hike with his friends even though he still felt restless when he had to leave his family. During the hike, Charlie and his friend enjoyed the trip. However, when they go to the high cliff on the Sierra mountain, they had a hard time to get a safe route to go back down from Sierra mountain. At that time, Frank suggested a road that could be followed by them, but it was not easy to pass, so the other was doubt about Frank's suggestion. But suddenly, Jeff came down the cliff following by Frank's direction that made his friends worry. Finally, Jeff landed well on a rock in the middle of the road in Sierra Mountain, and the friends was happy that Jeff was safe, and then they started to go down the cliff together, following by Frank's direction too. And then At the end of the story, it shows when Frank and Charlie sit together looking at the night sky. Frank asks about Charlie's condition because he realized that Charlie does not seems very excited about this trip. In the end, Charlie told him that he was worried about Joe. After hearing it, Frank calms Charlie down and tells him everything will be alright. So to elaborate this story with my experience, actually I have never had such an experience like in this story, but I appreciate others who have written such a good story like this. I enjoy the story and I hope that someday I can go on a hiking trip with my friends as in the story. I'm sure that it will be a very excellent experience that will happen in my life. Although I have not had the same experience as in the story, I have a similar experience with that. At that time, my friend and I were on vacation in a city for the first time without our parents. While there, we did fun things to relax our mind from the tiring college life, and sometimes we also argue where one of us has a different opinion, so it takes a long time to find the right solution of that problem. But in the end, we continue to enjoy the short vacation with a great joy. The part that I liked the most where the four of them followed Frank suggested to go down the cliff by his boat, and at that time they were worried and doubt about the road, but Jeff go down after listening to Frank's direction. In the end, the direction of Frank suggested was worked, and it landed Jeff on the middle of the cliff road in Sierra Mountain. Then the other friends was followed that road and they got to the Jeff position in the middle rock. So after reading this story, I got some message, and this story teach us that all will be successful if we try to find a solution. Other than that, we have a belief that everything will be alright. Keep praying to God so that everything we do and hope will come true. And like the part where I like the most, because that part implied a very meaningful word where don't give up easily and keep trying in finding a solution of the problem. Even though other people say the problem could not be solved, but if we are confident and try to solve it, will surely work. And beside that, at the end of the story where Frank convinces Charlie about Joe's condition, from Frank's word, he explained that believe in God who will give us the best. We as humans can only pray and try to make these things will be okay. So I think that's all from my explanation about this story. I hope you enjoy watching this story, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.